How can we avoid pregnancy by a biological natural lifestyle with very high reliability?
It requires observation of my cervical fluids. These show the fertile days and my personal basal body temperature (BBT) graph over more than 7 fertile days. My basal body temperature is reached during sleep. I measured BBT after waking up in the morning. This was inconvenient, stressful, and inaccurate. Until iButton was invented, my iButton automatically logs my individual distinctive BBT at a very accurate BBT location with at least one data point per night. I wear my vaginal iButton as pessary at night during fertile days. As natural female cycles are irregular, the ovulation is unpredictable. I observe one specific change of my quality from transparent, egg white to white creamy of my cervical fluid in the evenings. After 4 days of the specific change, I read out my iButton via USB connection on Windows or Android. I confirm based on my distinctive BBT graph my personal ovulation is terminated.
I see now. We can experience safe natural intercourse in the correct and fertile time slot now. That's great, healthy and convenient.
Order now your iButton with pre-order new features, capsule, apps, and iOS ability at 4freeway.com webshop to get started today and to follow our reliable method too.